Now, well, you've heard of an ice bath to help muscles recover, but what about a chamber at 166 below zero? That just sounds painful.
Yeah, it does. That's why Amy Carraba's live in Roseville, where she is going to freeze.
Are you ready for that?
Are you ready? Yeah.
I know. Are your teeth chattering? Are your teeth chattering? It's so cold thinking about it. Okay, this is so cool. It's U.S. Cryotherapy. This is Dave right here. I'm so excited about this. This is for anybody, athletes, anybody with an injury, someone who hurts themselves, gardening, who else?
Absolutely. It's for anyone with acute or chronic injuries, whether it's, your extreme athletes or your everyday person that has their bumps and bruises as far as faster recovery.
Okay, you two guys, you're going to go in first. I'm going to go in coming up a little bit later on. What are your names?
I'm Jordan Knapp.
And your name?
My name's Troy Olson.
I know, look, they're shirtless. Very good looking guys. You're both athletes. Baseball, basketball.
Baseball and football.
Man, the ladies, they're going crazy. Even Ken in studio. They're just loving this whole package here. Okay, have you used this for an injury?
Yes, I actually tore my ACL during football season.
Oh, yeah.
And since after the surgery, I came in here for the swelling and has helped with the healing process quite a bit.
Okay, let's send you guys in. And you can see, talk about what they're wearing, Dave. So they're in shorts. They've got warm shoes.
It's to protect the extremities where there isn't much blood flow. Just protective hands.
And what's he doing? Checking their body temperature?
We check the skin temperature before they go in, because when they're in there for about 2 to 3 minutes, we're trying to get a 30 to...
Wow, look at this!
30 to 40
wow.
Skin temperature.
Okay, so they're in the first room right now. What's the temperature in the first room?
Pre-chamber is about negative 60 degrees, get you kind of acclimated.
Okay.
And then Aaron, our technician, after about 30 seconds, will instruct them to head on over to the main chamber, which the temperature ranges anywhere from negative 160 to 180 range.
Okay, so right now, 60 below. They're going to move over into this room. Let's get let me show you the room before they enter, because you can kind of see. So here's the room. So now it's 166 degrees below zero. Let's talk about what it does for the body. It gets the blood flowing. Your muscles can repair faster.
The biggest thing, it creates a rapid circulatory effect, because when you're in there, your body goes into protective mode and starts pooling your blood to protect the core, even though your core temperature doesn't drop. And then when you come out of the chamber, we get you on one of the life cycles to warm back up, and that speeds up the recovery.
It looks so cold. Oh my gosh, how are they doing in there? Look how cold. It's so crazy. I'm so excited to do this because, believe it or not, I have a knee injury, a very bad knee injury. I'm hoping that it's going to help. How quickly will you see results?
Clinical studies have shown, and that's where we make it real affordable to come, because 10 or more times is when you see the maximum benefit. Like anything, it's just not a one-time treatment. That's why we offer very affordable monthly memberships to allow our members to use these services several times a week.
About $20 the first time you do it, just to get yourself acclimated and see if you like it. I think it's incredible. You've had a lot of well-known athletes in the area use it, and one thing I want to mention, this is the only one in the United States. It's here in Roseville.
Absolutely. That's it's the only whole body chamber, which this is, and like you mentioned, it's the only one in the United States, and it's right here in Roseville.
Okay, so I'm so excited to go in. We're going to do this in the 8 o'clock hour. Give me a tip. Give me a pointer.
The biggest thing is when you go in, it's always the anticipation. It's just like anything else. It's mental. Once you go in, do it the first time, it's a piece of cake after that.
I cannot believe you guys. They're still in there. It's been crazy. It's been so long. How long have they been in there? Over a minute?
They've been in about 2 minutes, so they have about 1 minute and 15 left to go.
I can see they're kind of shivering. They're walking around, and is that just because they want to keep the blood going, or what?
Yeah, just a little bit of movement in there. Just helps the circulation. It helps pass the time a little bit. It's more like you said.
I can't imagine having.
They're located right off Sierra College Boulevard.
I'd want to keep moving too. Do most people move around while they're in there? Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah, a lot of some of the professional athletes, they've been, they kind of like move around and stuff.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, we're going to check in with you next hour. You're going to be in there.